Hello everyone, welcome to TalentSprint. So in this session of biology, we shall discuss the topic called respiration in plants. So we have seen in the previous topic, that is photosynthesis, and how respiration is required after photosynthesis. We shall see now. So all the energy required for life process is obtained by oxidation of some macromolecules, that is food. See, generally plants prepare their own food through photosynthesis. But this food, it is not useful directly because it has a large complex molecule. So this food must be broken down. So this breaking down is done by the process called respiration. Through oxidation of this food, it will be broken down into small particles and sent by the cells to the various parts. So only green plants and cyanobacteria can prepare their own food. We have already seen the process of photosynthesis trap the light energy and convert it into chemical energy, which is stored in the bonds of carbohydrates like glucose, sucrose and starch. We know this. Next, the breaking of carbon-carbon bonds of complex compounds through oxidation within the cells, leading to release of considerable amount of energy, is nothing but respiration. So whatever food we got it from photosynthesis must be broken down so that energy will be released. So this process is called as respiration. So yes, plants require O2 for respiration. So oxygen is required not only for us but plants also for respiration to occur. They give out CO2 like us. So hence plants have systems in place that ensure the availability of O2. But unlike animals, plants doesn't have specialized organs, because we have nostrils and nose to breathe air, but plants doesn't have this mechanism. But they have stomata. I've already told you in photosynthesis, so stomata means these pores for this purpose, for respiration to occur. Not only leaves but roots, stems, leaves, all these perform respiration, but at a slower rate than animals. Next, types of respiration. Aerobic respiration. We have two types of respiration, that is aerobic and anaerobic. So if I do the respiration in terms of oxygen, that is aerobic. The presence of oxygen is not there, it is called anaerobic respiration. So in this type of respiration, the food substances are completely oxidized into CO2 and H2O. So we have got the glucose from photosynthesis. So using oxygen, it is converted into carbon dioxide and water, and energy is released. This energy is required for different cells of an organism. Okay. Next is anaerobic respiration, where we don't use oxygen. So partial oxidation of food takes place here. So this type of respiration occurs in prokaryotic organisms or single-celled organisms like bacteria, yeast. Here ethyl alcohol or carbon dioxide is produced. Generally we also do that. Sometimes if we sit on the floor, we may have numbs. So this is because of less oxygen present, right? After some time it may be recovering. So glucose is converted with presence of O2 is not present here. In the absence of oxygen, it is converted into ethyl alcohol or ethanol or lactic acid, and carbon dioxide is given out. Next, comparison between photosynthesis and respiration. So photosynthesis is an anabolic process where energy is taken in and respiration is energy is released. So it occurs in green pigments of plants, and respiration occurs in plants and animals. Light is essential in photosynthesis, light is not essential in respiration. And cell organelle is necessary in chloroplast, which is the chloroplast which is required for photosynthesis, and mitochondria is necessary in respiration. And glucose is the end product in photosynthesis, it is a starting product in respiration. And CO2 and H2 are starting products in photosynthesis, and O2 is given out. Opposite will be done in respiration. O2 is taken in and CO2 and H2O are end products. Energy is trapped, energy is released. It occurs mainly during day. Photosynthesis will occur mainly during day, and respiration will occur 24 hours, day and night. And light is converted into potential energy in photosynthesis, and potential energy is converted into kinetic energy in respiration. So it takes place in the presence of a catalyst called chlorophyll, the photosynthesis. There is no catalyst required in respiration. The day weight of the plant increases because food is produced, right, in the photosynthesis. Because food is converted into smaller molecules, the day weight of the plant will decrease in respiration. So this is a comparison between photosynthesis and respiration. So what happens during daytime? During photosynthesis, CO2 is taken and O2 is given, and during respiration, O2 is taken, CO2 is given out. So as there is no photosynthesis during night time, only respiration will happen, O2 will be taken in and CO2 will be given out. That's why people say don't sit under the tree during night time, because it releases CO2, because we don't need CO2, we need only O2. Okay. Next is transpiration. So one more topic called transpiration in the same topic. We shall see what is transpiration also. This is a very repeated question in many general studies examinations. So transpiration is a process of how water is lost from the plants because of evaporation. So water will be converted into water vapor from the plant. So how this water is lost? Because of the pores present in the leaves or stems or roots. So water is necessary for plants, but only some water is taken out, and remaining 97 to 99.5% is lost by transpiration. This is because of evaporation. So through pores of the leaves or stems or roots, that is stomata, through that pores the water will come out because of evaporation. So this is all for this session in this photosynthesis topic. We shall meet in the next sessions. Thank you.